Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Johan and this week we have another French model of a German car on the turntable. This 1/60 scale BMW 3.0 CSI was produced by Majorette from 1973 up to 1977 and came in a huge variety of colors, with metallic green and metallic red the most common ones. Like with most models of that age, this BMW has seen a lot of play. The metallic red paint is flaking, the windows are dull, and overall the car looks in a very sorry state. I will refresh this model as close to factory state as possible, so let's get out the tools and give this model a makeover. The model is held by one rivet in the front and the bumper, which is wedged in the rear end of the casting. I drill out the rivet and remove the bottom plate. The bottom plate holds the wheels and the suspension spring, and inside the casting we have the interior, the doors with the door spring and the window piece. When I remove the suspension spring, the wheels just fall out. The body, the doors and the door spring depart for the caustic soda to remove the paint. Afterwards, I wire brush the casting and the doors and do the same with the bottom plate. This bottom plate is of a darker material than most Majorette models, almost dark grey, but since this is a restoration, I will leave it like that. Next, I drill a 1.5mm pilot hole in the rivet post. I have to be careful here as the rivet post on this model has a casting fault that weakens the metal. This probably happened when an air bubble got trapped in the process. I drill quite deep as I plan to use a long screw here in order to secure it. Then I tap a 2mm screw thread. As I go deeper, I can see the tab appear in the hole, but the rivet post holds. I source a long screw and fix it in place. The body and the doors are primed with AK Interactive Grey Primer. This is my preferred primer for all my models. It's as good, if not better, than Tamiya Fine Surface Primer, but a lot cheaper. Next, I spray the casting with Tamiya Metallic Red. This is the same red I used on the Matchbox Jaguar E-Type. It's a bit lighter than the original dark metallic red of this model, but it looks nice nevertheless. Finally, I airbrush the body and the doors with Vallejo polyurethane gloss varnish to protect the paint and give the model a glossy finish. The interior is scrubbed clean with a toothbrush and window cleaning liquid. It looks nice and white, but I still have to be careful as the plastic has hardened over the years. The window unit is in very good condition. There's no breaks or deep scratches, it just needs a good polish. The axles and wheels are also in great shape considering the state the model was in. The axles and the suspension spring are white brushed to bring back their shine. The wheels are then cleaned and the chrome hubs are refreshed with Molotov chrome. First I reassemble the bottom plate by dropping the axles and wheels in place and attaching the suspension spring. Attach the door spring, then slide in the doors until they clip in place. Next I drop in the polished window unit and finally we have the cleaned interior. Now I can close the model up with the screw. Let's see what we started out with. This Majorette BMW 3.0 CSI is a beautiful model from this early 70s car. But years of play left it in a sorry state with flaking paint and dull windows. And here's our model after restoration with a new metallic red paint job, cleaned and polished windows and interior. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick that notification bell. More restorations are coming up. See you in the next video.